Welcome to your child development class. My name is Kim Cox and I'll be your professor for our course. I wanted to use this introductory video as an opportunity for you to get to know me a little bit and also for you to have some tips for success in the course. So first of all, my family, I'm the oldest of 8 kids. There are lots and lots of grandkids in the family. I've been married to my husband Mike for over 20 years and we have 2 awesome daughters. I also love and am passionate about my work. I've been an elementary school teacher since I was 23 years old, working for Garden Grove Unified School District. I've been with Santa Ana College since the fall of 2017, and I am passionate about volunteering. And I share with you this information about all the kids I'm involved with because I love to bring my experience into our course. Aside from my work and family, I do have some personal goals and some things that I'm passionate about. I love the growth mindset. I also feel that we should start our day with an attitude of gratitude. My personal goal for you out of this course is that it's more than a textbook course, more than memorizing facts, but that it's really a relevant course where you can put some of your learning into action. And I'd love to also tell you some tips for success in the class. And the biggest thing is get familiar with our Canvas course modules. You are going to find so much information here, and this is the best way to be successful. Check in on this page regularly, take a look at the syllabus, read it thoroughly, take a look at the course info modules. There's a lot of information there. You're going to be most successful in this class if you have a regular working email and you check it often, that you get started right away. There's a ton of information here to cover, and the best thing you can do is get started right away. So best of wishes to you, and let's get started.